In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize the record middle columns in Hubspot. This is a simple but powerful way to control what you see when you open a record, like a contact, a company, or a deal. The middle column is usually where Hubspot shows key cards such as properties, activity, and other helpful sections. By customizing it, you can make sure the most important information for your team is always front and center. To begin, go to your Hubspot account and click Settings. Settings is typically found in the main navigation, and it is where you control how your CRM is organized. In the left sidebar, find and click Objects. This section is where you manage the structure and layout of the different record types in Hubspot. Next, choose the object you want to edit. For this tutorial, you can click Contacts, but the same process also applies if you choose Deals or Companies instead. Once you open the object settings, look for the Record Customization tab and click it. This is where you can adjust how records appear for users when they open them. Inside Record Customization, find the option that says Customize the middle column and click it. Now you will be looking at the layout controls for that center section of the record page. At this point, choose the view you want to modify. You can click Default View to adjust what most users will see by default. If you want a different layout for a specific team or purpose, choose Create View instead. Keep in mind that views are useful when different roles need different information, but the default view is the best starting place for most setups. Now click Add Cards. This is where you can select what to display in the middle column. Depending on your portal and object type, you can add cards that show reports or important properties. As you pick cards, focus on what needs to be seen quickly during day-to-day work. Keeping the middle column tidy can help users scan records faster and avoid missing key details. When you are happy with your selections, go to the top right and click Save. Saving publishes the update so it appears on records using that view. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.